So in this video, I'm quickly going to show you how you can change your rev tag within Revolut. And if you don't know what your rev tag is, it's basically the username that you use on Revolut. But anyway, to go ahead and change it, you'll firstly need to open up the Revolut app to this page here. And then you'll just want to click on the profile section at the top here. And then from there, you'll just want to click on account settings and then personal details. And then once you've done that, your rev tag will be displayed here. And if you go ahead and click it, you can change it. But just as a heads up, you can only change your rev tag twice, and any previous rev tags you have will become inactive. But you'll also be able to switch back to an old rev tag if you do change your mind. But anyway, if you're happy to proceed, you can press continue. And then from there, you can then go ahead and change your rev tag to whatever you want. And then once you've entered your new rev tag, Revolut will just confirm if it's available. And if it is, you can go ahead and press update. And then once you've done that, your rev tag is now successfully changed. And if you do change your mind at any point, obviously your old one will always stick with you, and you can change that back at any time. But if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.